Let me show you guys how to add a client in Ezyiah. So you simply add your first client and you're brought to this screen here. So you would put the business name. Let's just put a sample. Let's put something, for example, here. Let's go Skillen Plumbing, Pty Ltd. Let's put an example ABN here. If they are currently registered for GST or not, and their business industry. So you would just simply type in their business industry. Let's just put plumbing. You can put construction, just something to prompt the AI, and select save. Add a financial year. You would simply put in the dates of the financial year you would like to use. Once you can access it, click prepare BAS, and you're brought to this option here. So you can select the BAS frequency, monthly, quarterly, or annually. In this case, we're going to go quarterly, quarter 4. Select add, click the BAS card, add the bank. We're going to go Commonwealth Bank and pretend that for reference, these are the last 4 digits of the bank account. Select that account, import a CSV. Simply select the CSV we want to use and let Ezyiah do its thing. This highly trained AI model is now reconciling the transactions picked up in the CSV. Now that everything is reconciled, let me show you guys what the reconciliation looks like when it's finished. You can see here you got your chart of accounts. It's gone through 220 transactions, and here are a breakdown of those. So this is how we would review. You can simply click in here, select the account you want to check, have a look inside. So for example, let's just select the motor vehicle fuel. You can see all the transactions it has picked up as fuel. And I think for reference, let's have a look. It's pulled out all the transfers. So you can see all the transfers between accounts have been excluded, which is it's done very well here. 3 unknown. It's always important to check these. So here we don't have much info. So not sure what to do with this transaction. So this is something we would have to revise. Let's have a look at the expense accounts. Very well done. Took 30 seconds to reconcile these 220 transactions. It's a very highly trained model. We can see here that only 3 transactions have not been picked up. The rest are fine. You can check income. Very well done. Very easy to review. Now, you can also move transactions between accounts, and let me show you how you do so. So let's just select unknown. Let's select all 3 of these, and let's move these to private. Let's pretend these are a private expense. Click move. Those are now gone, and we can simply go in here and check, and you'll see that they have come through. Perfect. Also, let's have a look at editing transactions. So you can select any transaction. This one, for example, just go here, edit, and you can edit the date, the description, the amount, GST. It is all editable. You can also add transactions. Simply select add transaction. You can choose the account, date, description, the amount you wish to add, and the GST. Once you've looked through your data and you're happy, prepare report. And just like that, you're finished. You've got your BAS, reconciled transactions, all ready to go. Okay, so we've had a look at the BAS report and the summary. Let's have a look at the profit and loss report. Let's have a look in here at the profit and loss. So as you can see, we're provided with a profit and loss statement for the client based on the information we provided. So this is for 1 quarter, essentially. Let's scroll down. You've got your operating expenses, your net profit, and your private expenses. So these are still included here, but these are just not included in the calculation for the net profit loss. Here we go. This is exportable as a PDF or Excel spreadsheet. Now let's have a look at the transaction style report. So very simple. Let's have a look at the period we've just done. Here is the transactions report. This data makes it very easy to journal reconciled client account into other accounting softwares by providing you with the Excel format, and you would have your own codes for other softwares, or you might use Ezyiah's, your own general ledger codes. You can simply just map out your code against the gross amount for the account. So the sales, you have your direct costs and your operating costs. Very easy to do, very straightforward with Ezyiah. Firms seem to be really liking this as well. We've had a lot of great feedback so far, and we'd love yours too. Okay, so let's look at Ezyiah's TPAR feature. So once reconciliation is complete and the subcontractor code has been filled with transactions, you simply come to this page, select TPAR up here. Auto sync with AI, and Ezyiah's AI will go through, recognize the transactions, the subcontractors, and allocate everyone accordingly. Let's select right here, iPlumb and Gas. It's been picked up. Now, you're able to verify the ABN with Ezyiah. So let me show you how you do that. Simply going to find the ABN for this subcontractor. I simply add the ABN. I get this green tick, meaning it's verified, and then provides me with the legal name, pulled straight from ABN lookup, and save the changes. Once we've gone through and verified all the subbies, we select Prepare TPAR here, select the financial year, and continue, and we're brought to this page. So we can see here all the transactions that make up the form, where the AI has gone through and allocated the subbies to the transactions. So there's all the contractors. We go, and we can select Generate TPAR. We haven't gone through and verified many, just this one here. And then you would click Export Report, and here you have it. Taxable payments annual report, all finalized. I would normally just go through, check everything, make sure it's all correct. Here we go. We verified this one here. And at the bottom, we're given a grand total, ready to be inputted into the ATO portal for submission. Thank you, guys. And that is how you finalize the TPAR with Ezyiah.